Hey guys, welcome to Build Site Now. Today we'll be looking at funnel base, which I call the commission generating monster. Now why would I say that? I mean, your goal is to increase your traffic and trust of your consumers, and funnel base will do just that. And the great thing about it, it allows you to integrate it on any website such as Shopify, Wordpress, Squarespace, Wix. It allows you to manage your social proof from its dashboard and send automated product review requests from your website via email. To top it off, it's just a great bit of software that really allows you to catapult your business into, as I said, a commission generating monster. Testimony reviews are a key factor in making sales. So it's truly genius that Funnelbase have come up with such a simple but extremely effective software that literally only requires you to paste a line of code on your desired page. And they provide a step-by-step setup wizard, and once you're up and running, you're literally on par with some of the internet giants such as Amazon and eBay, getting 5-star ratings and just getting all the benefits of social proof.
It's working. Nice. I like it.
Okay, and here are some of the available price plans. I'd say now is a good time to join Funnelbase whilst it's at an affordable price. For what you're getting, it's a total game changer. You'll literally be able to watch your organic traffic grow through social proof. For $37 a month, you're getting 5 funnels, 15 campaigns, 250 email review requests. If you need a bit more, then you'd either go for the agency plan or the pro plan. If you are interested, the link is in the description. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe. Any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.